When I use this trick, my home instantly gains a fresh, pleasant atmosphere. Choose a small, transparent container. It can be plastic or glass. Pour in some coarse salt, which is great at absorbing moisture and slowly releasing fragrance. Add 1 scoop of green laundry detergent, then mix thoroughly. The green color adds a refreshing touch to the mixture. To make the scent last longer, add a tablespoon of alcohol and mix well. Finally, add a few cloves, which will give the mixture a warm, spicy note. You can place the container on the windowsill, and the scent will fill the room, blending beautifully with the greenery of your plants. If you want a version for the bathroom, simply repeat the same process, but use blue detergent. The blue color is perfect for the bathroom, and its fresh scent brings a light, airy feeling. Add cloves again, and you're done. 2 colors, 2 moods, green for nature and relaxation, blue for freshness and cleanliness. Simple, effective, and beautiful.